Hello there. This is Matthew Miller, the Millennial Carry. How you all doing? And yes, on this blog, because today is smoke-free day, and I know me I am for people's freedom to choose if they want to smoke or not. And with this blog, it's never about smoking. It's about freedom. If you want to be a smoker or you still want to be a non-smoker, it's always up for the person. And the reason why I'm making this video showing my tobacco plants, because I do grow my own tobacco plants, and we know that New Zealand's trying to make the nation smoke-free by 2025, which is only about 4 years away, just less than that now. And the reason why I got tobacco plants, because we know that cigarettes prices have been going up every year after New Year's Day because of the excise tax or the sin tax, whatever you like to call it, because they want to make it unfeasible, and we know that the government isn't for choice, and for me, we're actually living in a country where freedom is no longer valued, where opinions are no longer valued, and when also men are also no longer valued. So, and yes, I've got my tobacco plants here, and man, they're looking so green, and yep, it's got something that's starting to flower here as well. Yes. And I think I'm seeing something around here. There it is, those, yep, it's those buds there, yeah. Just make sure there's any more, because man, let's buy some more over here, because there's the suckers there, and we want all the energy going into the leaves. Put it in that one here, because man, I might leave this one for the flower head so we can actually collect the seeds. Yeah, because those seeds actually are quite tiny as well when you want to plant the tobacco plants. Yeah, the seeds are very tiny. And that's why, and because with those each buds, they contain actually approximately about 1,000 seeds per bud. So that's actually a lot of seeds, and man, and they can make you a good cash crop, but the problem here in New Zealand is actually illegal to actually sell your homegrown tobacco. You can only grow it for your own use here in New Zealand. Something but in the times and that we got a tyrannical government though. And yes, having a plant there that you can sort of use it for yourself, or you can use it to barter as well. I know the government's not going to like this from me saying that, but I'm going to say anyway. And I do grow them, and also smokers here in New Zealand, you should consider start growing your own tobacco plant. You probably will save some money, and anyway, beginning all those added chemicals what the tobacco companies put in their tobacco, all those chemicals they put into it, all the added chemicals. So, with your homegrown tobacco, you can actually add whatever you choose, even like whiskey or wine or something. It's up to you. And yes, I've got my marigolds, and man, they look nice, man, and got some ground cover there. It just looks nice. So I hope I actually said something though, people, and also there's also another couple of tobacco plants here, and here that they are here, and these are just I'm probably might probably give those ones away, or I can just grow more for myself as well. And I just Well, people, I just hope you got something out of this video, and I don't have much more to say. Well, people, I'll say, go out, start talking to another human being, share ideas, and let's create some great things with a bit of humankind so we can go to the next level. And that's all I gotta say for now. This is Matthew Miller, the Marial Kiwi, signing off, over and out.